going to take this color and apply it right here. And it's kind of a windshield motion. With the same color, go into the outer V and on the other side as well. Then use the pencil brush, go in with the same color and drag it like you're making the other part of that circle. Don't be afraid to pull it a bit downwards. Blend around the edges so it looks nice and seamless in transition. Add the lightest color from the palette and apply it onto the lid. We still want some sparkle on the eye. Use your fingers for a better payoff of the color. Apply the lightest color into the inner corner of the eye, so you drag the light there. Blend around the edges. Put some mascara. Catrice again. While this layer is drying, I'm going to put something on my lips, and I'm going to go over the edge of my natural lip. And I'll put some gloss on top of it. It's L'Oreal Cream Gloss. Now I would put some lashes. So I'm applying Ardell Wispy's lashes. They're not too thick and they will not block the eye makeup. I've already applied the first lash and now I'm going to apply the second one after the lash glue thickens. When it gets tacky, then it's the right time to put it on your eyelid, which would be right about now. So you position the lash in the center of your eye. Pull one end of the lash to your natural lash, then you pull the other end of your lash to your natural one, and then you just join them together. I always do it with tweezers. The only thing left for me to do is to put on some brows, and you're probably then done. No, actually we need to pull the foundation down there because otherwise we would look very odd, and we don't want that, do we? I'm not going to bother with anything else but with powder on my brows because I like it the most. I'm going to use this type of brush to fill in the brow. I'm not even going to try to make it look perfect, because if it's too done, then it does not look natural anymore. Now there is this little trick to join everything more together, is to take again your blush and take a blending brush and put it here. Because it joins everything together. Put a bit of a powder. Actually, you want to look at your under eye area, and if anything is coming through, you want to apply a bit more of the concealer. Now I'm going to pat it with my Laura Mercier close powder. Now you don't want to over powder it, because then you would lose the shine. And I would only go on the center of my face, a little bit here under the contour, and that would be it. Foundation. This is actually the Makeup Forever HD foundation that I'm applying, and it has a yellow tone to it. And after you've applied the foundation on your chest area, you are done. And then there is the finished look. So, thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe and hit that bell button and comment down below, please. Thank you and bye.